Hello everyone, Namaskar, Rajkrishna this side. Today we are going to solve one more problem from Newton Backward Interpolation Formula. The question says, using Newton's Backward Interpolation Formula, find the polynomial of degree 4 passing through the given set of points. Okay. So if you haven't visited my playlist on numerical techniques and interpolation, do visit that. You will get a lot of problems to solve there. So slightly different language used here, but it means the same. You have been given a set of coordinates. The x coordinate is there and y coordinate means the value of the function at that x coordinate. Okay, so we can make a table again. So for making a table, I have some values of x. Corresponding to that, I have some values of y. Okay. And because it's a polynomial of degree 4, so we'll go till fourth backward difference. So the first one will be nabla of y, then second backward difference, third backward difference, and then the fourth backward difference. Okay. So the first value of x which is given is 1. Corresponding to that, the value of y is 1. Second value of x is 2. Corresponding to x, that y value is -1. Third value is 3. Corresponding to that, y value is -1. I will be a bit slow as always in this particular chapter, so you can watch this video at 2x if you have hurry. So at 4 we have -1, and finally at 5 we have 1. So tidy looking function. It attains -1 at 2, 3, 4 and 1 at 1 and 5. So first difference will be just -1 which is giving you -2, -1 -1 which is giving you 0, again -1 minus of -1, that is -1 plus 1, that is again 0, and then I have 1 minus -1 which is giving you 2. I must have a calculator handy with me so that I can perform calculations. So I have the second difference coming up. So 0 minus -2. So 0 plus 2 which is 2, and write this in the middle. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Now 0 minus 2 is -2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Fourth difference, 2 minus -2. That will give you 4. Fine. So this is the completion of this difference table. Now we'll use this table in the formula of Newton backward difference interpolation formula, and therefore we'll get the result. So because we need to find a polynomial of degree 4, okay. So what is the formula? Formula is yp is yn, in case of backward difference formula, yn plus p times backward difference yn plus p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into second backward difference plus p plus 1 p plus 2 third difference now. We know one relation, xp is xn in case of backward difference plus p times h. In case we need to get the polynomial, and they are not given that at what particular value of x they are asking the value of y. So in that case we assume the xp value to be equal to x. Your xn is equal to 5. Your p is what we need to find. H is the difference between the x values, which is clearly here 1. So the p you are getting is x minus 5. So yp is yn, which is 1, plus p times, that means x minus 5 times first difference. Difference, this ones you have to take. So this is the first difference. First, second and third difference is 2, and the fourth difference is 4. So this multiplied by 2 plus x minus 5, and x minus 5 plus 1 will give you x minus 4, divided by 2 factorial, which is 2, and second difference is also 2. X minus 5, if you add 1 you will get x minus 4, if you will add 2 you will get x minus 3. 3 factorial is nothing but 6, and the third difference is 2. X minus 5, if you will add 1 you will get x minus 4, if you will add 2 you will get x minus 3, if you will add 3 you will get x minus 2. 4 factorial is nothing but 24, and 4 difference is 4. If I cancel this out, you will get 6 here, you will get 3 here, this will get cancelled. And the simplification is the most critical part of the problem, because there we make error. I myself have made error in this part, so please take this seriously. So do it as slowly as you can. So this is 1 plus 2 times x minus 10. I think this is correct as far as this is concerned. Now moving forward, x square minus 5x minus 4x, so minus 9x, minus 5 into minus 4 is 20. I think till now it is fine, and denominator is 1 only here. Now here if you see clearly, x minus 4, x minus 5 is already there, which you have already calculated. We just have to multiply it by x minus 3. Fine. So in this expression only, what you do, first multiply this by x and write. So you will get x cube minus 9x square fine, and plus 20x, then multiply it by minus 3 and write. So minus 3x cube plus 27x minus 60. Fine. And this comes up with a division by 3. Now here again we have just multiplied by an extra x minus 2. So if I write this at the top, so it will be nothing but first multiplying by x, so it will be x power 4 minus 9x cube plus 20x square minus 3x. Wait. This would be 3x square, I think. Yes, x square multiplied by minus 3, so this will be x square. Okay, so x power 4 minus 9x cube plus 20x square minus 3x cube plus 27x square and minus 60x. And if you multiply by minus 2, you will get minus 2x cube plus 18x square minus 40x plus 6x square plus 54, sorry, minus 54x and plus 120. So if I simplify this, I will be getting x power 4 minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 minus 2 minus 14 x cube, and then 20 plus 27 is 47 plus 8, 55, 65 and 71. As far as x is concerned, it would be minus 60 and minus 54. 120 minus 6, 140. And the constant term is 120. So this is x power 4 minus 14x cube plus 71x square minus 114x plus 120 divided by 6. Now I'll take LCM because 3 here is there, 6 is there, and here we have 1. So YP will be equal to everything is multiplied by 6, so x square times 6, so 6x square, 2x minus 9x, it is minus of 7x multiplied by 6, so minus of 42x 20 minus 10 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 into 6, 66. Everything is multiplied by 2 here. So 2x cube minus 9 minus 3 minus 12 into 2. So minus 24x square. 20 plus 27 is 47 times 2 is 94x minus 120, and this as it is. Let's simplify it and write what is the final expression. So yp will be x power 4 is alone. Okay. Then coming to x cube, so I have 2x cube and minus 14x cube. So minus 12x cube. Then x square, so 6 minus 24 is minus 18 plus 71. $53. As far as x is concerned, so I have minus 42 plus 94 and minus 114. Minus 114 minus 42, 651, 56 and 94. So you'll get 6 and 62 minus 62x. Whatever the constant term, it is coming out to be 66 minus 120 plus 120. So it will be 66. Let me match it. There are other ways to match this out. If you put the value of x as 1, you should get the expression value to be equal to 1. Let me check this with the calculation which I have done. So I had got x power 4 minus 12x cube, 53x square, and 66 is there, but I had got minus 102x. So there I think again I have done some mistake in calculation of coefficient of x. So let's check that once again. So you have 42, okay, 94 and 114. So 114 plus 42, 156 and then 94. You subtract, you're going to get 2, you're going to get 6 here. So 62 is what I am getting. Let's check for the coefficient of x above also. So you should get 12x from here. Sorry, 2 minus 9 is minus 7. Minus 7 into 6 is minus 42. Fine. Then 20 plus 27 is 47 times 2 is 94. And finally 114 with a negative sign. So 114 94. Why again and again there is, so other things are correct, just the coefficient of x should come 102. Here if I see minus 60x was there and minus 40, so minus 100 minus 54, minus 154 should be there. If this is minus 154, this should be minus 154, then 154 negative, and what else is negative? 42 is negative and 94 is positive. 42, 6, 9, and what is positive? 94. So 196 minus 196 plus 94. This is giving you minus 102, which is fine. Yes, that's what I should get. So this is 154 with a negative sign. So finally this should be 102. So this is the final expression, and if I check the other way around also, if you put 1 here, so you're getting 1 minus 12 plus 53 minus 102 plus 66 divided by 6. So you should get is 50, 60, 110 plus 9. 119, 120. Okay. 120 minus 140 is 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So you will get the same for other values. It also, like if you put 5 also, then also you will be getting 1. If you put 2 as x or 3 as x or 4 as x, you will be getting minus 1. So this was the overall picture. I again got stuck in the calculating the values. In examination, how will you check that whether you are going correct or not? You have 5 ways to check. Put x as 1. Check whatever polynomial you have got, you are getting the value of y at x equals to 1 equals to 1 or not. Put x as 2, check whether it is coming minus 1 or not. If anyone also comes, then it will assure that you are correct. Okay, so that's it for today. You can watch out more problem in the playlist, which is iterative techniques and interpolation. Thanks again.